Hello everyone! Today we're exploring the connection between anxiety and dizziness, a surprisingly common and frustrating combination. Have you ever felt lightheaded, off balance, or unsteady when you're anxious? You're not alone, and there's a real reason behind it. What's the link between anxiety and dizziness? When you're anxious, your body activates the fight or flight response. This can cause changes in blood flow, breathing, and muscle tension, affecting your inner ear and balance system. You may feel dizzy, woozy, or like you're floating, even though nothing is physically spinning. How do you know it's anxiety-related dizziness? Often comes with stress, panic, or worry. May feel like lightheadedness, not true spinning. Can last from minutes to hours. Sometimes worsens in crowded or open spaces. Can it be treated? Yes. Treating the underlying anxiety often helps the dizziness too. This might include breathing techniques, therapy, or medication, depending on your needs. If you want to dive deeper, there's a helpful book titled, Doc, I'm Dizzy. It explains symptoms and possible causes in simple, everyday language. You can find it on Amazon or visit neurologist.us for more information. Link in the description box below. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.